Assalamu alaikum, welcome back and stay tuned to our channel. Today I'm going to show that there are 5 kinds of Windows features in your desktop and Windows 11 and Windows key and search here snipping tools and open snipping tools app. Now click on here to only record. This is the capture and this is the video record. If you want to record your screen easily, now and start new and just which area you want to record, you select and start your recording. Use key and I and this short command Windows key plus I and open settings. Now you search print screen and enter and look, the use the print screen key launch the screen snipping. Just you use the print screen, you turn on for this app. And now you use your keyboard print screen and just you use your area easily. Free Windows feature, you click on Windows logo and Jolo Z. Look here, your screen 1 and 2, the two side. And Windows feature 4, click on Control Shift and Escape for Task Manager. Control Shift and Escape, look here, Task Manager easily. Feature number 5, you click on Windows logo and I for settings, you all settings here. It's available. The short command. I hope this video is very helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.